How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Have you ever been driving your forklift and all of a sudden this happens? Oh, out of propane. No big deal. Grab yourself a fresh bottle, put it on. Hook up your hose, go to start it, and then this happens. You got nothing. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you something that you can check yourself that may get your forklift running in just a matter of seconds. This is a problem I've seen multiple times over the years, and if you're not looking closely, it's something that's easily missed. Let me show you. When you change your propane tank, you put your coupler hose back on. When it's fully tightened, you can see there's a little under 1/8 of an inch gap between the coupler and the bottle. If you look at this one, coupler's tightened, and we got about 1/4 inch. Now I'm going to show you a common thing I've seen quite a few times over the years when you change bottles and you have a no start after. So make sure your bottle's shut off. Undo your hose. You can see here, that's your valve. If you press that, propane should come out. We got no pressure in this line. What happened was, when that hose coupler was taken off, this rubber O-ring here came off with the hose, and it stayed inside that coupler. And when you went to put it on a new tank, that O-ring that was in the coupler butted up against this O-ring when it was tightened, and that extra 1/8 of an inch prevented that valve from contacting and opening this one, and we got no propane flow. We simply just take that O-ring out, put it back in the tank like this, and then now when you tighten it up, we've got that 1/8 of an inch gap. Turn your valve on, you can hear the propane flow. Get your booster on, go to start it. Problem solved. But if you're handling propane that's pressurized, always make sure you wear the proper safety gloves, because that propane sprays out there, gets on your hands, you can get frostbite real quick. Hope you found this video helpful and informative, and I definitely hope to help someone get their propane forklift back up and running in a timely manner. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button, notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when I get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.